Today, I'll show you how to earn the Active Developer Badge on Discord. This badge is a fantastic way to show your dedication and activity as a developer on the platform. First, open the Discord app, click the plus button to create a new server. Name your server, for example, YouTube Tutorials, to use it as a testing ground. Go to your server settings by clicking on the server name. Scroll down and select Enable Community. Follow the setup guide, enabling necessary settings and agreeing to the terms to finish the setup. Next, visit the Discord developer portal, make sure you're signed in. Click on New Application and name it YouTube Tutorials. Agree to the terms, then click Create. Scroll down to Privilege Gateway Intents in your application settings. Enable the necessary intents and click Save Changes. Now, to set up and host the bot, click Reset Token at the top to generate your bot token, copy it, head over to a bot hosting service like BotHost. Click on Create a bot and authorize it to join your server. Paste the token you copied earlier, then create the bot on the hosting dashboard. Scroll down to Active Developer Badge and ensure it's enabled. In the hosting dashboard, go to the left panel and select Invite. Invite the bot to join your server. In your server, use a / command like / your bot name Active Developer Badge and follow the prompt to claim your badge. Note that it may take up to 24 hours for Discord to update the badge. Now, to keep the badge active, use any bot command at least once every 30 days to maintain the badge. And that's it. You've successfully set up your bot and claimed the Active Developer Badge on Discord.